Alrighty, what is going on? Welcome back. It is Wednesday. Let's jump right in. Lack of news, distinct lack of news again today. So not expecting much. Again, daily model still bullish. We inverse this gap, ran this gap. We are now currently within or above this gap. There is still this one. So that's the big one. Obviously, ES is above it. ES is pretty close to all-time high. NQ is still quite far. But intraday, again, leaning more bearish. This buy-side level was taken. And an SMT was put in at these highs. As of right now. So, again, just really looking. On the 1 hour, there's 1 hour imbalance and this 4 hour imbalance. This sell side lines up with the 1 hour imbalance, which is why my eyes are on it. Same on ES, this 1 hour imbalance that was slightly tapped into, along with the 4 hour that was slightly tapped into on ES. Again, a little SMT from, no, there's no, I'm lying. I'm fibbing. But anyway, external buy side has been taken and an SMT has been put in. This 5-minute imbalance is now being ran, and this is a very nice, clear, again, same as yesterday, sell model. But personally, the internal high has not been taken yet. If we look at yesterday, external high was taken and SMT was put in, and then an internal high was taken, which is why I should have used the confluences pre-market. But today, we've just taken the external high. There's been no real internal model and internal high that's been taken, so I want to wait. I'd want to see something like that to trade to sell side, to be honest. That might not happen. But maybe something on a smaller time frame, the 1 minute or something. Maybe this 5-minute. Let's come back to that. But we are now running this 5-minute imbalance. So I can expect these lows, this sell side of the curve, to play out. So I'm leaning more bearish intraday, but bigger time frame. I'm expecting these imbalances to hold and us to continue the run higher. That is what I'm looking at going in. This SMT is pretty strong in daily imbalance, Short term, I'm bearish. Overall, I am more bullish. So if we do just run down to these levels, I'll probably look for longs. So we'll see what happens. Peace. Literally, as I ended that video, we did get a 15-minute change in the state on NQ right here. Series of up-close candles that we've closed through now, so that does add to my bearish bias. And we have pulled back to the 5-minute inverse and held it bearish. So the move could be happening now, and I miss out, and that's fine. Not going to be bothered because, in my opinion, there needs to be more. There needs to be an internal high taken. But this model is really clean. But again, I wouldn't be annoyed of missing out on this move because it's not in line with how I want to trade. If it happens, it happens. If we come up and take the internal high and put an SMT in at the internal high or an SMT in this 5-minute imbalance, then yeah, sure. But that 15-minute change in the state has influenced my bias. We could open up a 15-minute imbalance too, so it's worth watching. But for now, if the move happens, it's fine. Peace. Okay, so there's been nothing. My hair is so weird from the side. What is that? Weird. Anyone else is weird? Price action today. What? So going in, again, I was bearish. Wanted to see this internal high be taken. We're having a distinct lack of volume. Pre-market, lots of volume imbalances, whatnot. Candles not very big. Then right at open, the volume came in for like 5 minutes, which these are normal size candles. If you go back to yesterday, these are like 100 tick. They're normal size candles. These are a lot smaller, so this feels a lot bigger. Obviously, I was bearish. I was looking at this 15-minute imbalance, 15-minute change in the state. We had a 5-minute inverse in here as well. And I was like, I'd like to see us wick this high, put in the SMT, hold this, and then sell off. And then happened. So no trade was taken, funnily enough. So we did have this internal high, and there was an SMT for a really long time because NQ took it right away, as you can see, and ES didn't take it. So we had that SMT for ages with ES holding this 5-minute imbalance. We had that SMT. I'm going to leave that on there actually for journal purposes. But had the bearish SMT for ages, and I was looking for us to, well, run this imbalance and hold the 15-minute. The 15-minute close, obviously 9:45, well above this imbalance. And that is when I pretty much knew shorts aren't going to play out today. We opened this 5-minute and I was like, right, if we could like maybe take an internal high and put in an SMT, we could just target the 5-minute imbalance. That's what I'm confident gets hit. Again, didn't happen. Then at 9:54, that SMT invalidated. So I straight up logged out my broker. You see, nothing today. Nothing at all. I just straight up logged out as soon as that SMT was invalid because I don't want to trade this. And then we were just slowly chugging our way up. Yeah, we've got the annual meetings and whatever. But in my opinion, if you just look at the 4-hour and zoom out, let's go on to NQ here. Look at the 4-hour and zoom out. Like, we had an SMT at that high, but we are just delivering. We're delivering to where price needs to go. And there was no opportunity to trade it, in my opinion, today. So that's absolutely fine. I don't think this was unexpected, personally. Look at the daily as well. We're going. You know, that's what happens. We're just going up. There was no... Obviously, it's nice to get a pullback to be able to get in on an internal model. But that doesn't always happen. So you need to just be aware. There was no way this move could have been traded, which is fine. Price is really just running now, so I fully expect us to at least take this high and hold this, or just go to all-time high, to be honest. So yeah, no trade today, no opportunity, not unexpected. This SMT is nearly getting disrespected. You know, we haven't got far to go until that happens. So there's no opportunity. I don't really have anything to say, to be honest. Really small video. I have nothing to say. Yeah, this could have been an opportunity to get into a long, like, you know, 5-minute imbalance and a 5-minute, 2 5-minute imbalances are holding. But it was just one wick. I'm sure on the 15-second there was a really nice internal model up to this buy side level. I'm sure on the 15-second there was something really nice down here. You know, a change in state. Stop right there. Target that internal high. Quick, efficient, easy. But I don't have access to and don't want access to the 15-second purely because it would just skew me off. So yeah, I mean, no opportunity to take any trades. At this point as well, I was like, right, maybe we come through this double imbalance, pull back, change in state, pull back, and then go to that 5-minute imbalance, but it didn't happen. So there was nothing to do. There was absolutely nothing to do today except sit on your hands. So if you did that, well done. If you didn't, okay, I have nothing to say to you. So because you do what you want to do. Everyone looks at the market differently. If you caught longs, nice job. If you tried shorts, I can see where shorts come from, but there was no confirmation of the shorts. So no trades from me, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.